Hey, I'm PJ with CLK Supplies, and the aftermarket key programming industry today is huge. Now, it's kind of blossomed up through the locksmithing industry, and it's very common today to find automotive locksmiths who primarily program keys for cars. Now, they're going to do this with a machine that can program a whole bunch of different makes and models of vehicles. Now, there's always been the dealer tools, right? The Ford machine that, programs Ford, and the Chrysler machine that programs Chrysler, and so on and so forth. But the multi-vehicle programming tool actually started in 1997 by a company called Elmay. And they created the world's first key and remote programming device called the TCL-1. And here it is. So this thing right here came out in 1997. Now, where it starts to get interesting is in 2002, Elmay and Advanced Diagnostics formed a partnership and came out with the first ever T-code. And I'm sure you've probably heard of the T-code before. It's been one of the main programming devices in the automotive locksmithing industry for years now. And it all started in 2002. And as what they did, as you can see here, they put a sticker over the front here, and it's actually still to this day, it's kind of sticky here because the sticker was on there for so long. But is what they did is they just rebranded, repackaged this TCL-1 as a T-code. Now, they only kept this machine around for a short while after, and they eventually transitioned it into the T-code Classic, is what we call it today. At that point, in about 2007, is when the T-code Pro was released, and that was, in my opinion, kind of where everything really started to take off. The multi-vehicle key programming, the tokens were introduced shortly after that, and at that point it just started escalating and going into now the industry that we know of today. But I just really wanted to share this TCL-1 and really just the start of the automotive locksmithing industry for programming keys. Have you guys ever programmed with one of these TCL-1s? I'd love to know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.